that is that line to that line. It may be some more than that line. So let's consider that it will be of 6 feet, and then after we can again take the plank from that line and put it for bricks, and then from that where another one comes, we can jump from there. Jump from there. Along with taking rope, bully, and ammunition box. So first of all, we will jump it. So chest number 30, you just go. Be safely. Then give the plank to chest number 30. Put the plank. Plank, because we are this distance. Directly go to the that grip. No, not. Yeah, direct. Go. Yes. And place the patta. Test number 30. Test number 20. Take the rope. Along with you. Coil it first. Hurry up. Take the plank and pass it to me. Okay. And then give me the finish. Completed, sir. Put it again on. Where is the ammunition box? Task completed, sir. Task completed, sir. Again do the same. Like that. First bind it from first look. Make a grip.
So you are trying to extend the Fatti and Balla for the distance?
Yes, sir.
By circumventing the rigidity rule?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's see.
And then bind like that.
But did you increase the distance? The distance is same?
Yes, sir. No, just open it. Just you can do like that. Not touch the.
Leave it? Okay, show it on the bricks. Come to the bricks. Okay. No, you have to come here. You have to come here, no?
Yes, sir.
From there you have to come here. You are standing there. There, you are there. You were standing there? Yes. So you already made a bridge, then what is the point extending? You made a bridge. 2 ब्रिज बना दिया आपने. Take the weight. Very good. Hey, help him, no? Oi. See, Ankur was. Where is your snake? Snake kahan hai?
Yes, sir.
3 people are not holding at all times.
Okay, hold that. Now, just number 2. Just go. Taking help of him.
So you make a give him a shoulder, yaar.
And then give.
No, he has to jump other side.
Yes, sir.
So consider that you jumped. Slide down. Slide down. Do not jump. Slide down. Let him slide down. Take the weight. Take the weight. Yes. Just slide down. Okay. So this is what the high wall. Okay. The high wall will make you. This is the test of your comradeship. Sportsmanship and group activity. Because this is the best place you will show each others. Like if somebody is looking at him, he's not realizing that I should help. And which place you need help? At what moment? Who is weak? Who is strong? Who is stout? Who is tall? Who is short? You have to take help of all that. Once you do that, it will be all right. Okay? So any question on this? Individual obstacle number 1, ramp and jump. So you cannot be static here. You have to run from little distance. Otherwise, there will be balancing problem. So be careful of jumping, and then there will be sand here. You have to fall on sand and then complete it. Okay? So simple exercise. It gives you how much marks?
1 mark.
1 marks. Very nice. And what is the next?
Double barrel.
Double barrel. To the obstacle number 2, and this is double barrel jump. Okay? So just number 11. You are ready? Go. No, you are to jump over it.
Over.
Yes, long jump. That's correct. Yes. 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 So that is what beam. It is not a big exercise, but it should be done in the beginning. Else you may have a breathlessness, or you may have a balancing problem.
Yes, sir.
You may keep falling, and then you will waste time.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so be careful about it. Okay.
Start, sir.
Okay.
No. Jump, running and then jump on over there. Yes. That's why I'm saying.
So you can come from there. Keep your one leg here and jump over that.
Yes, sir.
Do that. Who can do it? You try. No. No, come running. No. Don't climb over fatta. Consider that you climbed over. Your legs should be coming on the bench directly. Directly on the bench.
Head on the bench. Yes.
No, if you are static, then how will you jump? One go you have to finish. No.
Just jump to there.
You come from side. Don't worry about fatta.
Yes, sir.
No, go down. You should have gone there. Chalo. Yes. 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 So this is Burma Bridge. What you have to do for the Burma Bridge is you have to climb up from the here. There could be a rope also hanging like this. There could be a rope also.
Yes, sir.
There could be rope also here. Okay. So either you climb on the rope or you climb through the ladder. There will be ladder here.
Yes, sir.
So those who are good in rope climbing, they can do tuck up, and then they start from there. Yes. Only thing is when you are keeping the leg, don't just slide the legs. Okay. Only slide the leg. Okay. Only slide the leg.
No problem. Don't worry.
Oh.
Don't up and down. Just slide.
So this is obstacle number, individual obstacle number 5. Okay, 5. As much as high you should hold the rope for Tarzan swing. You will be, the staff will give you like this, in this case. Okay, leave the rope. Okay, you will come onto the platform and wait. Okay, and now there is a pot there. You have to fall in there, in front. Okay, you have to swing up to there. Okay, so this is the path you have to follow. Stand fully on the edge of the wall, edge of the platform. Okay, edge of the platform. Stand and then hold as top as possible. At top as possible. Look there. You have to go there, and then with the jerk, swing. As you come to the vertical at this portion, at center of this portion, okay, you should leave the rope. Else the rope will go and they'll pull you back. So be careful. Okay, that is the Tarzan swing. Okay? Clear everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay? So it is just, and the Tarzan, in the Tarzan jump, the same thing is, leave the rope please. Yeah, just leave the rope. It is hanging vertical, right? The rope is hanging vertical. Okay? Na? Now this rope is hanging vertical, and now you come down please. You go up. Yeah. Slide down, slide down, slide down, slide down. Take the hands, weight on the hand. Practice it at home. Yes, keep doing this. It will help you. So now we are demonstrating the number 10 obstacle, individual obstacle, Tarzan jump. In the Tarzan jump, the rope will be vertical, and you have to stand please. Help him. So double ditch, exercise number 8. You have to take use of the rope, keep the momentum. You're touching the platform. This is the accurate one. You try it again.
Hold it.
ठीक है?
With a mere budget of just 400 crores. Nowadays, movies are being filmed in 400 crores. So, I think what's more important is means what for my major reason for the success of this is I think the quality of science. The Indian showing one Supreme Court in India, which is and in India, which is located in Delhi. After that, every state has its own high court. But some states such as Mumbai and Goa, Punjab and Haryana and Prime Minister Boston, let's assume he is a Prime Minister. Now, Prime Minister, when we are talking about Prime Minister, this post is very powerful and also with great powerful, great responsibility. So he need to handle everything very responsibly, and that 35 is not a very such age that where he had gained lot of experience. So I think experience is required. Experience is required to take decisions responsibly, so that one can easily understand pros and cons of the whatever decision is taken. So if we are putting a age restriction, I think it is a barrier where we are not able to easily optimally use the experience of a person which he has gained in his lifetime. So if a person is physically and mentally he is fit, so I think we can use him till the time he is willing to give service to the nation, and till the time he is mentally and physically fit.
In politics, so we use the various our experienced persons who has grown older. So we have to put age limitation in limited.
I also think that age limit should be there, because if we remove those persons, then we can get new vacancy for other persons also, so that they can also get employed. And it also helps us in many things, like if a new person
And older in our politics, so that is too good for our country.
with the combination of eldest and younger, it will become
a better opportunity in our country so that we can increase our country in every direction so that it may increase vacancies for other persons also. So we should think about it.
So I think the posts which are highly powerful and responsible posts, as I said, Prime Minister, so they should be reserved for the elder ones who are experienced enough, and the posts which are below, for example, any MLA or any municipal councillor. So I think these posts should be reserved, not be just rely on the job vacancies. So he tried to also work on his own business and side by side look at other job opportunities. But his hard work in his business led him to establish a successful business.
And the military power. We have projected many military bases in different countries like in Djibouti, and we have acquired airports in Sri Lanka, and we have built military bases in Myanmar and also in Bangladesh. So all of this is also a projection of our military power, and I want to especially highlight our cultural power, as yoga is now being popularized in the Western world and all over the world. It is also giving India various peaks in the soft power, and we can not forget the historical influence of India on China, like giving major religions like Buddhism, acquiring all of the Southeast Asia and conquering the Southeast Asia. So that's all from me.
Also want to add some points like our GDP is increasing day by day, as we will be the third largest in the world. So the main reason behind it is that our export is also increasing and we are also increasing our import, so that our growth will be increased. And also the culture is also important because it will also help us to increase our strength.
I think the second one is play real role, because if we have not sufficient army and soldier, so there will be no peace in our country. There is many terrorist attacks in now also. So we have to first of all strengthen our army.
You are right, but I think economy of our country plays a huge role in maintaining the army. You can't have elite weapons without even if you are not capable of purchasing them. So if you are having money, you can purchase very sophisticated missiles, fighter jets, tanks. So the army which you are talking about, Indian army is strong because they are having very sophisticated weapons, very sophisticated guns. So Indian army is capable, Indian government is capable of providing all these tools because they are capable of purchasing it. So ultimately the factor which is coming behind is the economy of the country. Since we are focusing more on increasing the exports, so we are able to get the surplus. We are in the surplus of.
You are right, but in
As we are sending more turmeric and grains to outside countries to earn more money, which will also increase our economic GDP. So we should also export more and more so that we can increase our GDP.
Yes, so you are basically trying to tell about the trade.
Yes,
You are highlighting
we
the
should trade
figures.
more and we should import less so that our GDP may be increased.
but we have to also see our present condition. We can see that Punjab is also going to terrorist, and Paschim Bengal also, Manipur also, and Tamil Nadu. So we have to first of all, they are not peace all over.
Yes, I agree with Ishant because army is necessary for. I agree with chess number 20 because army is necessary for the.
Peace in our country.
Yes, sir. To bring peace in our country, and I also want to consider the third point responsible for it because it can change people's mindset. This cultural practice can encourage people to make more involvement in it, and the military is also a factor which influences the most, and because our army is the as we all know, our army is the strongest army in top 10 countries in the world. So it is affected and influenced the most?
There are very major issues that come at the front and it backwards our GDP, and it always affects on our production of any production of non-production of our elements or anything that affects on our GDP and economic growth of our country.
I think all the three factors, the economy and military and the soft power, are correlated with each other. If we strengthen our military and we put money in our research and development, we can develop more efficient weapons and we can put in the military to better utilization, and we can even sell them as we are selling, like we sell BrahMos to Philippines, and we sell Akash and Pinaka missile defense systems to Armenia. So putting money in military is also going to increase our economy, and with this both are correlated, and developing a soft power is also a major issue, because if we do not develop a soft power and do not have any cultural influence in the neighboring countries or in the foreign world, the world may not even know about us. So we have to
I agree with
develop
you.
our soft power and
Because
establishing the
investing in military is very good for our economy, because we all know that our relation with our neighboring country is not too good, like Pakistan, China and Bangladesh also. So we have to, first of all,
I want to correct you with that point. We have good relation with Bangladesh.
no,
Yes.
kind
The
of-
interim government of today's Bangladesh maybe have different views and send us mixed signals through their different policies. But although from the 1971 liberation of Bangladesh, we have very good relation with Bangladesh. And if the election take place, we hope so that our both governments will get on the diplomatic level and have a better leadership.
This treaty was signed by Sheikh Hasina at that time, at the time of 1970 Liberation War. And I also want to add some more points in it, that if we make a unity in all the regions, then it will also increase our GDP.
but Bangladesh is more friendly to China than our.
And in current time that our Hindu population is also criticized by them.
Yes, sir. Citizens of Bangladesh are. Yes. So,
As number 20 has said that we need to invest more on the sophisticated weapons, so I would like to say something that yes, we need to invest more on the sophisticated weapons, but we can only invest more on sophisticated weapons unless our economy and the military power is they are correlated with each other. If you see top 10 strongest nation
Because
in terms of military power, you will also find that they have quite huge economy. If you talk about we say USA is a superpower. USA is not just a superpower because of its military, but USA has the second largest. USA has the biggest economy in the world. So they are able to spend more on their military. So if we neglect our economic power, we can't move more further on our military.
What is the other countries problem? What is India's stand with the other countries? वो भी थोड़ा कवर करो, ठीक है?
As before launching the Operation Sindoor and after the Pahalgam terror attack, India has already met 70 countries, ambassadors and their national leaders and discussed what the situation was in the Pahalgam and the terror attack that happened in India, and already a huge sympathy was on the Indian side. And after the successful Operation Sindoor,
After the
I would like to say that many countries are interested in India, like Israel, Russia and USA, they are supporting India, and also they if Pakistan is
supported Pakistan
doing war again, then they will help India in this case.
And India
even
directly
after
said
the
that
many successful
this is only for the strike is only for the militants and only terrorism. They does not affect on the Pakistan military.
even after many supporting countries, there are some countries system to intercept the missiles and drones that were
India has
coming
also
from
successfully
Pakistan.
mounted over retaliation against
Pakistan
Pakistan
has
side with the help of its S-400
S-400
and S-400 missile was not a single missile from the Pakistan side that caused any damage to the Indian side.
After Operation Sindoor, it has also sparked an international debate on whether it is rational or not. But many international bodies and countries have supported India for their strong actions against terrorism, like Israel, America, and nations. But we have also there are countries
So, okay. 10 minutes of constructive, healthy group discussion. 3 points that you must keep in mind while doing the group discussion is: number 1, take initiative to enter if you know the topic. If you don't know the topic, wait for 2-3 people to speak, listen to them carefully. These 2 people were continuously, or these 2 people were continuously speaking from the beginning. So both of them took the initiative and there was a continuous flow. Tone is flat. So nobody was listening him because his tone was totally flat. He was not modulating the voice. कैसे बोला मैंने? Voice. समझ रहे हो? So this is called emotional connect with the word. Connect with the word. Difference समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
If you don't modulate your voice, nobody will listen to your talk. You have to modulate it. If you are flat, then nobody will listen to you. You can continue doing the verbal requirements, but it will not help others because he will overtake you by voice. So first of all, improve your knowledge of voice. Practice in the mirror. Have depth of knowledge. Depth of voice. कुछ लोगों की नेचुरल होती है, कुछ लोगों को बनाना पड़ता है, ठीक है ना? और बहुत जोर से बोलने से भी कुछ नहीं होना। और कितने सेकंड बोलना है एक बार में? तो आपने तो सोचा ही नहीं कि 15 सेकंड क्या होता है, और 15 सेकंड खड़ी वहां पे और मोबाइल अलाउड नहीं है। तो मेंटल टाइम कैलकुलेशन इज देयर। यू शुड नो व्हाट इज 15 सेकंड, व्हाट इज 30 सेकंड, व्हाट इज 45 सेकंड। यू हैव टू नो इट। सो लर्न दिस things that GTO is not watching that who is speaking maximum, who is speaking minimum, but to the point. And third point is bring variety. Bring variety, as sir told you. If you don't agree with him, what will you say? I don't agree with you because. When you say I agree with you, add the point. If you say I agree with you, you are wasting the time. You are taking time of somebody's speaker's time because by just saying I agree with you, क्या मिला उससे? Right, ठीक है? हाँ बताओ क्या लिखा? So the question क्या ऐसा टिका कि एक you are going to the river and in the early morning alone, you are not a swimmer and you see a boy drowning in the water. क्या आंसर बताओ ऐसा टिका?
मैं सर अकेला हूँ सर मॉर्निंग में, बट मैं वहाँ पे आसपास या रस्सी या कुछ भी होगी तो मैं उसकी हेल्प लेके मैं उसको दूंगा और उसको मैं बचा लूँगा सर।
बहुत अच्छी, ठीक, डालेंगे तो ठीक, बहुत अच्छी, ठीक। ओके, एक और क्वेश्चन है कि यू आर गोइंग फॉर पिकनिक एंड योर गर्लफ्रेंड इज सेइंग दैट नो आई वांट टू गो फॉर मूवी, व्हाट विल यू डू? क्या करोगे? ओके, बल्ब,
Get aware about the behavior of a girl and we should react accordingly if we go the next.
Adding points to the previous speaker, in co-ed education, like if I take example of a boys' school, so there no boy learns about menstrual cycle or anything related to the topic of girls. Whereas in co-ed education, all the students they learn about these things.
I think it gives a very good point, and I think that when boys talk about opposite gender, it's learn about herself between inner side. That is very easy.
So they are working on the infrastructure development.
Since most of us, majority has made story around that the person
is going
somewhere. So I think we should stick to that story.
We can collaborate both the things.
So I think
And also I would like to add that the main character which we are seeing that is quite young, not very. And
So the entry level
going
post
to
of
add
the entry level post
Suppose
will be
assistant
engineer, like assistant engineer
So
or
I think
assistant
adding
engineer
we
manager.
should make story around chest number 31 that he has recently cleared everything and he is going to Hyderabad to the academy.
Okay, he has cleared his SSB and medicals and he is going to the academy for joining.
For joining.
Okay.
So,
Let me also see our actions one by one so
so
that
first of all, what he did was he booked the train from New Delhi to Hyderabad, and his parents also came to see him off. So he took their blessing and took the journey.
Let's see in the academy like or Dundigal or academy. He was from AFSB entry, right?
we can also add that he observed many things are lacking in the station. So he found the station master for the improvement.
So he saw that they are.
He's going
His parents got quite emotional because their only son was leaving them. So he first of all comforted them and gave them assurance that he will be okay there. And during midterm break, he invited them to Hyderabad and took them to the city to explore the city.
And he is very excited to join the academy and will be posted as his first course.
Yes, it here. Yes, sir.
If you are stuck anywhere, please let me know.
Yes, sir.
Chest number 456 please. Now you move. Please that will be. Chest number 11 follow chest number 456. And I will be behind you.
Yes, sir. I am holding it
from the school days.
They got a better sense of communication and they learn from each other how to communicate with other people effectively when they go abroad.
I
As
think
both
that when
boys and
when
girls are
boys
pillar of a heart,
interact with
and
opposite
if
gender,
there is any
that is help.
misunderstanding between one, then it is not properly worked.
You can clearly see the difference between the thought process of a villager who is not getting a co-ed education and like we are living in Delhi and we are getting access to the co-ed education. We can see the difference in our thought process, as well as we are seeing the induction of women in men-dominated fields. Like we have seen how much successful women are in presenting themselves. So I strongly support the co-ed education.
I agree with you. Chest number 37 co-education help.
According to India, they are 20,000 crore to Pakistan. So now they are using that for terrorists for buying weapons. Although we said that HQ9 is failed to save their country, so now they are going to buy new weapons from that money.
I think I would like to add a point main power of that super world and that many
that as the Pakistani have killed the civilians. So the India in response with the Operation Sindoor, they have killed their terrorism. Not they have not harmed the civilians.
Yes, Indian forces
they have not harmed the civilians.
cleared that they didn't target and terrorist training center and
As we all agree, India is the fifth largest defense budget by the budget. So India is a leading country in the Asia. We must have self-reliant and we don't dependent on the other countries, including Russia and USA. We take our own actions and we get aid. Even China, Pakistan, whatever is in the Pacific
I would
region.
like to just add one point that after the Operation Sindoor, our Air Force, which was fourth strongest Air Force in the world, it came at rank third after this operation.
Slide down. Single wall. Okay, very good. Single wall, it is a little high, so go ahead, chalo. Okay, slide down, leave the, baki, don't touch anything else other than wall. There is nothing on the wall, please remember that. Face the wall and slide down, do not jump. This will be a rule, you have to follow that. Very good. Giant slide or ramp and slide. Obstacle number 6 of group snake race, group's obstacle race. तो यहाँ से आपको चढ़ना है, ठीक है ना। यहाँ पे आपकी इसमें ग्रुप्स होंगी, 1 2 3 ग्रुप्स होगी, वहाँ पे रोक के रखना है। एक यहाँ रहेगा, एक वहाँ रहेगा, एक वहाँ रहेगा, नीचे जंप कर रहेगा। एक स्टूडेंट यहाँ भी होना चाहिए कैंडिडेट, ताकि वो रोप को, स्नेक को पास कर सके, अदरवाइज वो नहीं हो पाएगा ठीक से, ठीक है। हाँ हाँ हाँ। और यहाँ पे भी क्या है कि अगर आप बहुत नीचे हो तो 2 स्टूडेंट को एक साथ स्लाइड करना चाहिए रोप लेके, और एक पकड़ा हुआ है तो 3 हो गया ना। समझ में आया? 2 को एक साथ, जैसे बच्चे करते हैं ना एक साथ, तो एक साथ स्लाइड करने का। अगर एक चला गया नीचे तो फिर नीचे वो रोप तो कहीं टच हो जाएगा फिर, क्योंकि ये हाइट है ज़्यादा है ना। समझ में आई मेरी बात? तो वो प्रॉब्लम आ जाएगी। वो ध्यान रखना है कि वो हमने नहीं करना है, ठीक है, नहीं तो वो गड़बड़ हो जाएगी, ठीक है। ओके, चले। हाँ, मेंटेन द स्पीड, मोमेंटम, कीप द सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी इन द सेंटर, यूज सेंट्रीफ्यूगल फोर्सेस, सेंट्रीपिटल फोर्सेस। सो यहाँ से रोप से चढ़ना है और उस तरफ उतर जाना है। यू हैव टू 2 ropes. Remember to slide it here, okay, and turn 90 degree so that you are sliding through the ropes. ठीक है?
The other to just eradicate the situation which is going in the present day.
But the opposite parties are raising the many questions towards the central government, that what are they doing and what are the security concerns.
Yes, I agree with chess number 24. I believe in the matter of army and this outer world, all the India parties and all the India
which comes in more 5 years, and also they are talking to buy S-500 from Russia, and also we know that in
I agree with the fact that government is spending some more budgets on the military to buy the new weapons such as Rafale with the new Scalp missiles, and they are also doing the new defense system which is S-400 from the Russia to improve the intensity of the defense system to counter such operations like Operation Sindoor.
And now
That
India
you
is
said
the
that
fourth
the-
largest economy in the world, and we can say that in
As chess number 24 said that India is the 4th largest GDP of the world. So
And
that
also
this is the
International programs to represent their country.
yes, I agree with chess number 25. I believe that many of the sportsmen, example like Neeraj Chopra, who have won gold medal for India, and
Yes, I agree with the fact of chess number 31, and I want to add some more information to regarding it. That sports is a profession which is becoming popular in India, and we have seen the latest example of Neeraj Chopra, who have achieved the gold medal in the international sports in the field of bala pack.
Yes, I agree with him, but
Which happened in
and also that
Japan, and
the
now he is serving our country as a colonel in the Indian Armed Forces.
I agree with chess number 24, and the increasing number of these medals and the sportsmen that can be that engaging of sports in the schools, that doesn't happen in many.
And nowadays the sport is the main topic to entertainment, and the cricket is more famous in India, and we can also see that some days ago IPLs have over, and also we can see that in Stampede there are 11 people died before by Stampede.
And in the past years we have seen that
RCB.
the parents were not allowing their children to just participate in the sports, and
There are no 2% is enough. No other language.
एमिनिशन बॉक्स है ना आपके पास?
Yes, sir. I think we have
Okay.
to also put it in.
I thought just 2 people should be left. Rest all should quickly finish.
Put one leg here and then other leg on the head. Not to full support. Yeah, you can go. I will. And just stay on that. Don't
Stable.
stay on that.
And again make the same structure like that, the previous structure. Take the ball. this will stick to person on that place.
या छोड़ दीजिए आप ज़्यादा ऊपर बढ़ो
Two person come here. Otherwise he will fall. Yeah, make the same structure. Not your folder. Just pass the material. Not to touch the ground. Just number 25.
Arrange all the material in systematic manner, and once everybody is ready, 1, 2, 3, task completed, sir.
We have completed the task. 1,
1,
2, 3.
Task
completed, sir.
Country where they all used to rush in the time of morning or in the evening to get to their residence or the office places quickly.
There usually we have hilly places where we live in hilly places. So during the rainy season, we used to have a lot of landslide. So if even if the government like implements like different scheme to make this roads, we used to like suffer from this landslide. Many people used to that.
December 29 that if we follow rules and if we apply some restrictions on the people and if we improve infrastructure, it can be avoided and
I agree
minimized.
with chest number 24 that government are also mentioned all the road safety rules and all people are aware, but even after those who are educated and those who are know about the rules and regulation, but they are not fulfilling and they are not fulfilling the rules, and they are, even though they are violating the rule and go to the wrong sides, and that's the reason there are so many road accident cases increases in our day-to-day life. You all might have seen in our day-to-day life.
I agree with chest number 20 that it is a cause of crowded environment there, and in the crowded environment they rush to out of the metro, and in this situation there is many this is a very unpleasant situation, and suffocation is also there. But I also want to talk about the traffic.
They did not
It's okay.
It is Madhepura. And then I came here in 2017, New Delhi, and I pursued my 12th degree in from the DAV.
Question क्या पूछा गया?
Academic qualification.
तो यार इतनी देर
And then I graduated in English honors.
तुमने National School of
And my aim to crack CCL exam, which was supposed to be going to be held in August 30 to 2025, but due to some reasons it got postponed, and now it will be scheduled up to September, and no other notifications are given.
Chandauli district in Uttar Pradesh, and I am graduated in civil engineering with 84.5%, and my hobbies are cycling, cooking, and badminton, playing badminton, and my aim become a engineer in armed force. And my next, I am selected for the SSB TGC entry.
कब एग्जाम है?
43. मेरा नाम अमर शर्मा है, मैं हरियाणा कैपिटल सिटी से बिलोंग करता हूँ, और मेरी हॉबीज़ है रनिंग और बैडमिंटन। मैं आर्मी में TGC के पद पर जाना चाहता हूँ, और इसका एग्ज़ाम 2026 फरवरी में होने की आशंका है।
तो आपकी क्वालिफिकेशन तो पता ही नहीं चली।
मैंने शास्त्री की हुई है और आचार्य की हुई है।
कहाँ से की?
सर ये मैंने MBSU कैपिटल से की है।
सब्जेक्ट क्या था?
वहाँ पे सर संस्कृत से सब्जेक्ट
संस्कृत।
49. I graduated from JSC Mary College with bachelor's in arts degree. I was an NCC cadet with CSOT. My aim is to become a become inspector in Delhi Police by cracking SSC CPO exam, which will be appearing in 2026 September month. And my hobbies, I don't have many hobbies, but my particularly it is singing.
Which place you belong?
Darjeeling.
And graduation from Darjeeling?
Yes, sir. Delhi University, JSM College.
जैसे सर करें
Yes, sir.
जाने के पड़ी
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
कम नहीं है, तो वो दिक्कत रहती है। और जीडी वाले पार्ट में ये रहता है, अगर आप बिल्कुल भी
Can you give an example of verbal reasoning?
एक यही था जो आपने बताया ना, सेम ऐसा ही एग्जांपल था,
हाँ।
ब्लड रिलेशन का, और इतना कॉम्प्लिकेटेड था, उसमें 1 से 1.5 मिनट लगने हैं।
So it took time to read and understand, and it wasted your time in verbal test. So if I ask you between verbal and non-verbal, which is easy as per you? Non-verbal is easy. Why?
Sir, because you can like see the pictures and you can easily differentiate the question level. There are 2 pictures, you have to differentiate and you have to after the answer in the option. But in verbal section you have to think more, connect yourself with the question. What is the question is asking from you. So that's the problem, that verbal section is quite difficult than non-verbal. And apart from that, when we come from the GD part, if you don't communicate with the person.
It is projected in every places, in every buildings, and it contains.
Yes, I am agree with chairs number 29.
I am also sitting on the same kind of chair. These chairs are
also
slightly
include
comfortable to
point of the
sit,
fire extinguisher. The fireball are also present. We can use the carbon dioxide into them. In the powder form.
I want to add a point that if you talk about AC exerts water, and comparatively without occupying much space, the pipe is going within the wall and is.
Gentlemen, the electrical appliances in these rooms are connected in a very bad manner. The wires are spread.
Here, it is stick to the wall and is not going not sticking to the ground. Which if it was in the ground, there will a person will not be able to move.
I agree with just number 2. In this room, AC are the present which give the cooling, and by the AC we can.
Gentlemen, we are in a modern room comprises of a AC, 3 screens, a digital computer, and a smart board, and a recording camera which records in the HD quality. And a student sitting in a remote area in India can see the video of the lectures provided in the Delhi, can be seen in the Arunachal Pradesh or any remote area.
In this number 20, this is a very important
online education.
First we know about the military exercise. What is military exercise?
General military exercise is a practice performed between the armed forces of a country, between the armies and the navy or the air force. This can be between the army, navy or the air force, or can be between the army, navy, army, air force, between everyone. Or these are the exercises performed by the armies or navies or the air force of the different countries. As just we are doing the exercise just like the
I agree with chairs number 20.
and we are doing
The military
exercise
exercise between another country also happened.
The military exercise
That each and everyone are the participate in between them.
The military exercise aim
They
to be
provide the peace and the security purpose also use in between them.
It provides the
They give
humanitarian
the
assistance to a country.
give the chance and give the practices about it, and
There's a many benefits like that. It gives a real impact between the two countries. War-like situation, that what will we do if it
I agree with
happens
chess number
in
49.
real-
It gives a
see
real
the
time.
action
I agree with chess number 49. I want to add a
point.
That countries, armies, if a army
military
wants to
exercise something that is
grow
very
its
beneficial for both the
resources,
countries.
know about the techniques
Because
of a
it
different countries.
enhances
If a country armies want to
it
grow,
enhances
it has to do.
exercises and also various tactical coordination and also enhances the interoperability.
And I agree with chairs number 44. They are the transfer their technology and know about the technology and tactics of firing.
Indian Navy, all the armies includes Indian Army, Air Force and Indian Navy. Under such exercises, other countries and international areas, and also go to other countries in the sexual
Other countries like US and India use the bias and the
Yes, I
another
agree with
country.
chest number 36. We are doing the
Yuddhabhyas
military
and
bold Abhyas with America that enhances our army's capability to perform the army operations in the variant terrains
Shakti
and
Bhai-
special operations.
Yes,
and
Shakti-
it plays on
Shakti-
message, and we
And
are
other
additional
exercises
exercise point to
like,
coordinate with the two.
Gentlemen, talking about some exercise. We have
diverse operation,
the Khan Quest. It aims to be improving the humanitarian assistance and disaster relief. As we are talking about the disasters about taking in the Jammu and the Uttarakhand places, if we want to improve the humanitarian assistance and disaster relief, we can provide a
I agree with
better
Jesse
option.
that military exercise is something that can also influence a particular country. If, for example, the Malabar exercise that is conducted by the Quad nations, the main objective is to stop the China's influence, which can be also be used as one of the benefits of the military.
Yes,
exercise.
The Yuddhabhyas is give the diverse operation, surveillance
I
and
agree with you.
the technical operation,
Diverse
diverse
military
operations.
exercises are for to get a technical assistance to the country and sharing between a mutual connection between them. And these exercises are for enhancing their coordination
I agree with
amongst
chest
them.
number 31 that we are using the different types of weapon. We came to know what the weapons are different country using. We can know about more about our enemies we are fighting with. The same weapons they can be using.
I agree with chest number 20.
We can know the
India
range.
bilateral
We can
exercise.
decide the range.
India
what are the
conducts
damage
two
processes.
types of military exercises. That first one is bilateral, which conducts between two countries, and multilateral, which conducts more than two. India also conducted with among like army, air
I agree
force
with chest number
and
49. They are
navy within
bilateral,
country to
multilateral
get
exercise, just like the chest
other
number